Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a video carousel in Elementor. First, open your Elementor editor and navigate to the page where you want to add the carousel. Look for the carousel widget in the Elementor sidebar, usually under the Pro elements. Drag and drop this widget into your chosen section. This initial step sets the foundation for showcasing multiple videos beautifully on your website, enhancing user engagement significantly. Now, let's add your videos. Click on the Carousel widget to open its content settings. You'll see options to add new slides. For each slide, paste your video URL. You can add as many videos as you need, but a good starting point is 3 to 5. Next, configure basic settings like the number of slides visible at once, often set to 1 or 2. Enable autoplay and navigation arrows to improve user experience. With your videos in place, it's time to refine the carousel's appearance. Head over to the Style tab in the widget settings. Here, you can fine-tune elements like the spacing between your video slides, ensuring a polished presentation. Customize the navigation arrows by changing their color, size, and position to align with your website's design. A subtle border or shadow can also add a touch of sophistication. Finally, let's look at advanced options and publishing. In the Advanced tab, you can set animation effects and control the carousel's speed, perhaps a transition duration of 500 milliseconds. Crucially, check responsive settings to ensure your carousel looks perfect on all devices, from large desktops to small mobile screens. Always preview your work thoroughly. Once satisfied, save your changes and publish the page to make your dynamic video carousel live for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.